what's cool? Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
Hey you guys, so today I'll be working with Lanita's hair. She sent me over this lovely closure wig. I believe it's 14 inches. She also gave me a discount code you guys can use for your purchase. It takes 20% off. I'll have it right here. I believe it's Ray 20 though. If you're interested in purchasing this unit itself, I will also link that in the description below. And it also gives you an option on her website to split up the payment. So if you don't have the money right away, or if you don't have it during checkout, you can use that to split your payments up. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this installed, keep on watching.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I bring from you. I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hope that the love is real. I see you. Is it real? True? You? I'm doing it, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling the air you breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, molding you, haunting you. Sit in the passenger seat, hoping that the shit don't come for free.
Pull up on me. Baby, pull up on me.
Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right, and I already know what you're thinking. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah, don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Ay, I'ma keep it honest with you. let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy, not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah.
So here we are again. Boy, this always happens. It ain't like we scared, but we know what happens when things move too fast, but should be moving slow. And it makes me want you more. Oh boy, I've been wanting this more than you know, boy. It's killing me, but we should take it slow, boy. It'd be so much better if we wait till we can't wait no more. Wait no more. For the love is there, so there's no need for rushing. You can come right here, but don't you start that touching. It'd be so much better if we let this build up. It's worth the wait for something bigger.